Hey everybody, John Cruz here at Worldwide Auctioneers. I'm here today to invite you to come to the Scottsdale Auction Friday, January 26th, 11 a.m. We've got some great cars, including the one I'm standing beside. But you know, the best part about this car, my favorite part, is the owner, the collector, the hobbyist, Mr. Steve Chapman from Texas. And I've gotten to know him over the years. He joined the Classic Car Club of America in 1968. He still has the first car he bought in 1968. And throughout the years, one of his goals, as a lot of ours is he wanted to get a really special car and go through the process and have a shot of having a car on the lawn of the Pebble Beach Concours. And he was able to do that with this car. And it's been judged repeatedly, 100 points by the CCCA. It had a podium finish at Pebble. It won Best in Show at the CCCA Grand Classic. It's just a spectacular car, but it represents, I believe, our hobby and the collectors who make this hobby what it is. And I have so much respect and appreciation for Steve and what he's been able to bring to this hobby and continues to this day. And for him to share this car with its next custodian, could be you, is really a neat opportunity. There's only 11 of these ever built. I believe this one is the finest and has the best pedigree. We've got all kinds of photographs and documentation from new all the way through to when he got it, the restoration process, the awards that it's won. And it just really presents, not just in a spectacular way condition-wise, but its stately presence. It represents an era. It represents the Darrin automobile and everything that stands for. And I'm just looking forward to getting to know the next owner of this great car, because we are caretakers of great automobiles, just like Mr. Chapman. And I'll look forward to meeting you, hopefully, as the next caretaker of this great car in Scottsdale coming up. We'll see you at the auction.